Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to present to you a self-introductory Picha Kucha. I made this video for educational purposes, especially for compliance in our subject purposive communication. First, let me introduce myself. I am Joshua Montid Ramos, 18 years old of age. I was born on March 31, 2006. I live in Purok 3, Magpayang, Mainit, Surigao del Norte. I am the older son of Mr. and Ms. Montid Ramos. I have a younger sister named Tricia, a younger brother named Justin, a youngest sister named Trixie, and a youngest brother named Stanley. My childhood memories. I was 6 years old at that moment. Those people behind me were our brothers, who I considered my ate and kuya, even though we are not blood related, named Gary, Nestle, and Junel. When I was young, my favorite playmates were my siblings. I loved having quality time with my siblings rather than playing outside with my friends. I was in elementary school at this picture. It was a graduation day. You will see I am with two ladies, which are my mama and our neighbor. Behind that story, that's why I'm with my neighbor at that moment because my mama was late to arrive. And I'm thankful she was there to proxy on my mother's absence because she's late. In my junior high school journey, I met new people, new friends that helped build my confidence and create unforgettable memories that until now I cherish. On our grade 10 closing ceremony, my father and youngest brother are there for me to put a garland. My junior high school friends are Nerlan, Sanico, and Asamirin Cabañas. My senior high school journey as a GAS student. It's not an easy journey for me due to many challenges that came into my life to the point where I thought to stop my schooling. But because of my friends that helped me by giving advice and motivates me every day, I survived and proudly I graduated senior high school. I'm very thankful for them because without their help, I will not survive it alone. In this picture, I'm on a beach with my friends. I'm very happy at this moment because I feel like different. No problem to think about because of their genuine companies. Seeing the calmness and the sea and breathing the fresh air make me feel so good and give me peace of mind. And now, I am proudly a current student of the SNSU Mainit campus, taking a course of Bachelor Science in Agriculture. I joined the SNSU Eco Warriors Volleyball Club. My intention to join the club is to improve my volleyball skills and to be a good player. My hobbies are playing online games like Mobile Legends. I really love these games because they comfort me when I'm stressed and I'm not in a mood. And also listening to music. There's a time that I'm too lazy to play Mobile Legends. My other options of comforting myself is listening to music. It gives me chill and peace of mind, most especially TG Monterde's song. My favorite sport is volleyball. I really love the sports to the point that even though it's very tiring, I don't regret it every time I play. It's my happiness. That's why I joined the club for me to improve more about these sports. My zodiac sign is Aries. The fact about an Aries is that I'm impatient. I get easily annoyed by people, and I hate people telling me what to do. My first goal to graduate and pass the LIA exam. My second goals, get a stable job, earn a high salary, You turn all the sacrifices of my parents, pay the educational expenses of my younger siblings. And my third goals, have own home and car and travel the world. My motto in life is to believe and you will see, while everyone says to see is to believe. It is the opposite for me because even though it is impossible to accomplish, even though it is hard to get what we want, and even though there are many challenges and struggles in life before we achieve our desirable dreams, if we believe we can achieve it, and if we believe we can do it, if we believe in ourselves, you will see the positive results. Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, high and lows. Everyone needs people who help them in life. Like a strong building needs good walls, we need people to make us feel good and strong. For me, those helpers are my mother, father, and girlfriend. They are the pillar of my strength, each contributing uniquely to my well-being and shaping me into the person I am today. Together, my mother, father, and girlfriend form an unbreakable bond, a support system that has shaped me into the person I am today. I am eternally grateful for their presence in my life and immeasurable impact they have had on my journey.